We are one, came to fight us, let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Good morning, guys. Hi guys. Excuse the crust. I've been working from home this week. It's Friday. I've been working from home this week. At work, we're doing this rotation thing, so we swap weeks, and so this week I was working from home. I actually need to do an update on how things have been going, because I've been a month in. This is my second month now, and yeah, it's been quite uneventful actually, but yeah, I think I'll do a sit down video and talk a little bit more about that. But anyway, so today I am feeling quite productive, mentally and emotionally. I'm feeling a lot better. This has been a very rough week. It's honestly been like a really rough week for me. I just was feeling, honestly, I was feeling super depressed. And I think for the longest time I've been in denial of course I know I'm battling depression. I know that I was diagnosed with severe depression last year. Is it last year, 2 years ago? I don't know, I can't even remember. But yeah, my journey with depression started in 2014. Yeah, 2014, 2015. And I think I've just been in like I've been kind of like in denial in a way, and just not wanting to dwell too much on it. And I've been on medication before, and I got off of it, and I was back on it, and I got off of it. And yeah, so I've just kind of been in denial. Yeah, for real, like this whole depression thing is a thing. you know because for me it was just like I didn't want to accept it. And I think this week I just took time, and I was like, you know what, I am going through it and I need to do something about it. I had a conversation with my mom about it, and my mom being a counselor and being somebody who understands, has, yeah, she knows her stuff. So we spoke about it, and just how important it is to just just take care of myself, because I need to acknowledge the fact that it's not just about me. I also need to think about the people that I interact with, the people around me, and the people in my life. When I'm not okay, it affects them as well, because I become closed off, I become irritable, I become just a completely different person. I become a super negative person, and it's hard to deal with me, And in as much as these people love me, and I know that they love me, and I know that they are, they understand, of course it's going to get a little bit frustrating when you are trying to be there for somebody and they just are not willing to take that that support or whatever, or they just like, I don't know. But anyway, why am I going off on that tangent? It's a bit too early for that. But anyway, today I'm feeling a little bit more okay and together. Right now, actually, let me put it that way. Right now, in this moment, I'm feeling good. I'm just feeling very good vibes and good energies. And so I decided that, because I've been, okay, Because, like, the thing is, sorry guys, my arm was tired. Because the thing is, I've been really, really struggling to get anything done. When I am down, I'm down and I can't do anything. I don't want to do anything. My mind just shuts down. Everything about me is just like, let's not do it. So today, I feel inspired. I feel motivated. I have ideas that I want to put down on paper, and that's what I'm going to do today. This is all work related. If anything else comes up, then it'll come up. And then later in the afternoon, we are, my friend Amit and I are planning to go to the mall. So yeah, if I can finish with this and finish on time and all of that, then I get a chance to look cute and go out. And yeah, I'll definitely bring you guys along for that. So yeah.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Hi again, guys. So I actually just wanted to come on here and do like chat with you guys a little bit more. We're an hour in, and yeah, I'm still feeling super good. I'm feeling very, very happy actually in this very moment. So yesterday was International Day of Persons with Disabilities. And yesterday I shared on my Facebook, you know, people need to really look out for people with disabilities. I've been so blessed to get to know and just get to see more people with disabilities who are just killing the game, who are just, for me, I'm just like so inspired and so motivated. It's nice to see people like me doing stuff, being pioneers in their different areas. It's so, so nice, and it's so quite motivate, quite inspire, to just keep going and keep doing what I'm doing. And I said on my post, you know what, we are going to take up space. People with disabilities are going to take up space. Y'all are going to see us, and you're not going to see us from a point of feeling sorry for us or feeling pity and whatever. No, 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 no. We're going to be out there getting our degrees, getting our master's degrees, our PhDs, writing books. We're going to be on screen, we're going to be in the workplace, we're going to be in leadership positions, we're going to be in decision making positions, we're going to be change makers, just like our counterparts, just like our fellow human beings. Because at the end of the day, we are human beings first. We are people with disabilities. That's why we keep pressing and emphasizing that bit, people with disabilities. We keep saying we are people before our disabilities. A friend of mine always says we are people before our disabilities. Our disabilities do not define us. I am a person first before anything. The only difference between me and you is that I have to use a wheelchair to get around, whereas when you can use you can just walk around, with your two legs and stuff, But there's nothing different about you and me. When I apply for a job, I expect to be given the same opportunity as you. Yes, of course, I have my limitations. Who doesn't? Who doesn't have their limitations? We all have some kind of limitation. Just that mine is more I don't even know how to explain. I don't even know what word to use, but you get what I mean, you know? So yesterday when I was on Facebook, I was really, really inspired to see so many people just quite I've I've connected with a lot of people with disabilities on Facebook since February when I came back from the after the launch that I was the launch event, the book launch event that I spoke at. In fact, no. I okay. So for me, I think I've shared this before on one of my videos. I grew up getting the only person in my circle who had a visible disability, ne? And I've never had friends that, you know, I could relate with on that level. I grew up hella just like that. Not for any reason, hella. But, yeah. So when my friend now, Rowena, when she invited me to speak at her book launch, that was my actual first experience at interacting with people with disabilities. And since then, I just kind of like started to open up my eyes for, you know, just finding out more about disability issues. I think that's why it took me, it's, well, I'm still in the process of, you know, of dealing with, you know, all these acceptance things and whatever. There are times when I am triggered, and yeah, and I do have my low days, but my confidence has gone so much, like it's gone higher, it's increased because I see more people like me, more people with other disabilities killing it. And I am inspired and motivated for I too can kill it, and I too need to kill it because it is what it is. Like, you know, my wheelchair cannot, my wheelchair and limitations cannot stop me from doing what I want to do, you know. Already I am on screen acting, already I am like, using my talents, my abilities in different areas, you know. I'm doing, I do the stuff that I love. And now I'm in the workplace. I am in the workplace, and again, I plan on killing it there to show people where, you know, that honestly my main aim is to show people where people with disabilities also deserve equal opportunity. Yes, we might need, some of us might need a bit more support, but I deserve to be given an opportunity as well to apply for a job, to go for an interview, and to showcase my abilities. And never, ever make the mistake of a person with a disability what they can and cannot do. If that person applies for a job, it is because they know that they can do it. If that person comes into a space by themselves, it is because they know that they can manage. Until they, you know, we're smart. We know what we can do. We know what we can't do. We know where our limitations are, just like any other person. Never make the mistake of assuming that just because somebody has a disability, they can't do A, B, and C. Never ever make that mistake. But at the same time, be observant. Watch them. For example, the other day, I was coming back from church, and the cab guy was dropping me off at home, and he was like, I should always travel with somebody. And I'm like, why? And he's like, I don't know, like he didn't really have he didn't have a reason as to why. But now I took that as, you feel like I'm not able to help myself. Is it because I need you to help me get a wheelchair and take it, and like put it into the car and offload it and stuff like that? Is that an issue? That is what I was thinking. I didn't say it though. And it made me realize there are still people who just need to be made aware. People just need to be made to, understand disability a bit more. They just need to have their eyes opened. And it's also our responsibility as people with disabilities to show people, hey, I'm here. I can do A, B, and C. People just don't know. And excuse me, and it's okay. It's okay. They'll learn, they will adjust. But if there's one thing that I'm yet to see change in, particularly in my beautiful country, is accessibility. One of the issue, accessibility. Yay. Yeah, we need to work on that. Things like transport, we need to work on that. And have something in place for people with disabilities. It's expensive to travel by cab all the time. It's very expensive, and to go to the station all the time, and it's not always easy for all of us, ne? So yeah, I definitely do need to work on that. We also just we just need to, hey, also just in our schools and our education systems, we just need to teach people about disability, different disabilities. Ghana is not just being in a wheelchair and or using crutches, or it's it's not just stuff like that. There are other different disabilities that we all need to know about. Yeah, I'm also learning. I'm not saying I know everything, but yeah. But anyway, I could go on and on and on and on and on about this, but it's a conversation that we all need to have. It's a conversation that we all need to, engage in, and just, yeah. And another thing, to my brothers and sisters in the disability community, guys, let's teach people, and let's be open to questions. That's the only way that people are going to learn about things, if they hear it from the horse's mouth. Yes, I know that people can be insensitive. They still need to learn how to address things. They still need to learn it's not nice to call muthu segole. They need to work on that. They need to learn that it's not okay to stay. They still need to learn that they're just different. They're just certain things that you just don't do, that you don't say. We don't make assumptions. We ask. But we also need to be open to people asking questions. People are generally nice, ne? People are nice, and people want to help. At least that's what I've noticed, especially in MOTSWANA, where people are nice. People want to help. They want to be as helpful as possible. And so let's not be closed off. Let's not shut people out. Wherever we can, let's try to educate our friends and family members and our workmates. Let's just be open to answering questions wherever we can. I know for some people they just don't like to talk about their disabilities. Some people just are not open to it, and that is fine. Like I said, Linda, I'm on a journey. I'm still on a journey of acceptance. I do have my bad days, and I do have days where I just feel like, I wish. But those days are a lot less, and they're just not, yeah. But anyway, let's teach people. Let's be open to answer questions. Wherever we get an opportunity, wherever I'm speaking to people with disabilities now, wherever you get an opportunity to go and share about your disability, if you're comfortable, please do, because we need people to know. People want to know. If we want to see a change, if we want to see changes in our world, and if we want to see things changing for us, we need to take every opportunity that you have to go and speak about issues of disability, and to go and help people understand better. Take it if you're comfortable with it, and if you're not, that's still okay. But if we need to be the ones at the forefront, these conversations, and these we're change makers. We're going to be the change makers. We're the ones who need to be at the forefront of those changes that are being made. We need to be at the forefront of those discussions, because they can't be anything that can be done for us without us. There's nothing that can be done for us without us, because people do not understand. They won't understand like a person with a disability. But anyway, guys, I've been talking for 15 whole minutes. But anyway, okay, cool, guys. So let me get back to this. It is 11:15. I think I think if I'm not done with what I'm doing, I'll come back home and continue it. But I'm trying to avoid that. So we'll see. I'm not putting any pressure on myself. I'm gonna do what I can, because that's honestly all that I can do. Say hi, I'm vlogging today.
Oh, hi vlog.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are almost done for the day. About to go and have something to eat. I was just looking for where we want to eat, and then that's pretty much. Huh? Next episode, do you want to be in it? So we did some damage. Yep.
It smells like a skin chemical.
Say hi, Namita.
Hey, I look like a thief.
Yes, you do. Huh?
What's that mean?
I don't have a spot. You can think of a name for
It's in
me.
this picture.
This one?
Honey was nice.
Yeah.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.
Hi guys. It's good. I'm having the time of my life. My classmates having the time of my life.
The youngest person.
I'm happy. Very happy today. Hi guys. So I just got home. I don't know if you guys want me to show you what I got. Okay, yeah, maybe let me just show you what I got, and then we can close off the vlog. And yeah. Okay, so um the only shop that we went to was actually wait, let me do this properly. So okay, yeah, no, that will work. Okay, so the only shop that we went to was Mr. Price. So since I started a new job and I need some stuff that is, you know, formal and stuff like that, yeah, most of my shopping was for that. So the first thing I got is this mustard colored shirt. It's sleeveless and it was $99.99. So I got that, and then I also got a black bodysuit, just a plain bodysuit. That's that. It's pretty simple. I wanted to get a white one as well, but then, you know, I just decided, let me just get just the black one. So yeah, I got that for $79.99. It's in a size small. I also got a shirt. Like I said, starting a new job. You started a new job, so I need a lot more things that I can wear that are work appropriate. I got this nice little shirt. It's just a simple, it's really cute. I really love it. It's a black and white striped shirt. It's long sleeved, but you can also like roll it up and ting. It's in a size super small, and this was $139.99. And then I also got some tops for that's cute. That's very, very cute. Oh, you do? Yeah. And then I got some other things for somebody else. So yeah, those I won't share. Oh, and then another thing that I'm super excited about, guys. So, Mpumi Dwaba, aka Mrs. Mom, she had her wisdom and wellness conference last year. Was it last year? No, it was this year. She had her wisdom and wellness what's it called, conference. And one of the guest speakers was Mapalo, let me just get her name right, Mapalo Maku, and she's the author of this book. It's titled "You're Not Broke, You're Pre-Rich." And basically what Mapalo is all about is just, you know, educating women about financial literacy. She's passionate about that. So when like after that conference, I really, really wanted to get my hands on this book, and I finally got it. I went to Exclusive Books today and I got it for myself, and I'm super excited to just get started on reading it. You know, 2021, I want to be more I want to be just a better person. And one of the things that I really want to work on is my relationship with money, and just, you know, just learn more about money and how to budget well and how to save and stuff like that. So basically this is what her book is about. I'm really excited to read the book and just get into it and find out more about what it's about. I'll just read a little bit about Mapalo. Mapalo Maku is the founder of Women in Finance and an award-winning personal finance coach, speaker, and money columnist for City Press. Through the Women in Finance platform, Mapalo has helped thousands of women and men to simplify and demystify money matters and break the illusion that these matters should be kept private. She advocates that women should spearhead conversations about financial issues with comfort and ease. Sorry about the noise. with comfort and ease, putting the power in their hands. Yeah, so I'm very, very excited to be reading this book. You're not broke, you're pre-rich. Ditch debt, stop living from payday to payday, and manage black tax to hashtag live your best life. So I'm very excited. This book was 158 bula at Exclusive Books. I got it at Airport Junction. Yeah, and yeah, I'm just very excited to get into this book. Like, I'm very, very excited. But yeah, those are just some of the things that I got. We also went for lunch, a late lunch, early dinner afterwards, and yeah, now we're getting home and I'm tired. But I had a really, really amazing day, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog, that you enjoyed coming along with me, and you enjoyed just spending the day with me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what your Christmas plans are. If you do have any plans for December, how are you going to be spending December? Do you already have your 2021 goals set, or are you just getting started on them? I know that I personally still have to, like, properly work on them. So yeah, and don't feel bad if you are a little bit, if you still have quite a bit of planning to do. But yeah, comment down below and let me know all of those good things. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and join the amazing squad. My niece was actually asking me, okay, what is my squad name? If you guys want a squad name, I've asked this before, if you guys want a squad name, do let me know down below what we can call our little, family, our little squad, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and join the amazing family, and share this video so that other people can know that we are here and we are hanging out. And yeah, I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Who knows? Bye guys.